Hello there, Clint Baker from Hillbilly Hippie Honeybees. As you can tell, swarm season's already upon us. This is swarm trap number one that we're out looking at. We actually got 3 that we believe have swarms in them already. We've only had them out for about a week and a half. As you can tell, this one here, it's got a swarm in it. So we'll be collecting swarms today. We're also going to be doing a few other things throughout this video. We got a swarm call at the place I work, Toyota Motor Manufacturing in West Virginia, while I was at work, so I got to go out and collect them today. And so just stick around and enjoy what we got to show you. Got the pack mule back there.
Yeah.
Pack mule and everything up here. We're picking up a swarm trap and dropping another one off. So, swarm trap number 2. Another big old swarm. And this is a pretty good spot. Again, this is out riding our lake. And we're gonna hang one in that tree right there that you see. And then we're gonna pull this one down.
Come on through.
Yeah. Beautiful spot. We're gonna hang another trap there since we caught one there. We didn't want to hang it back in the same spot. 18 inches, a little bit bigger, 20 inches.
Let's see.
It's a good thing about a screw.
All right, you can take them out.
If you get it in there.
Smoker, huh?
Pretty sure the queen's in here now.
Yeah.
But they're fanning. It's a pheromone they're fanning to show that, hey, we found a home.
You just leave that for a while?
She's in there. See how they're all going to the box?
Yeah. It's been nice to have seen her though.
Yeah.
Especially put her in that foot.
Right. Well, 8, if they all take. We have 8 that either have queens or have themselves ready to have. If they keep the queens, we'll have 8. Yes.
But they've already started doing comb and everything, right?
Yes. By that point, they're doing all that. Well, by the end of less than 24 hours, we ended up with 4 swarms. We had 2 swarm boxes that we had put out around us that did have swarms in them. While I was at work today, I got a call, as you saw, for a swarm that had moved in literally right outside our admin office by the flagpole. And I ended up putting them in a box and taking them back to the teaching apiary there at Toyota, West Virginia. And then while we was getting all that done, my buddy James, who also helps down at the bee yard there at Toyota, he calls me and he says, "You'll never guess, we have 4 swarm boxes out around the plant down there on all 4 corners of the plant, and one of them had a swarm move in it too. So we're going to leave it for a couple of days and let them establish. They have frames in it, and then we'll collect it too." So in less than 24 hours, I will say that I believe that swarm season's underway. So hope you had fun today following us along. Subscribe, like, follow us, and watch for more.